today's little project. I picked up a pair of doors for the Corolla a couple months ago. I've just been kind of lazy and working on the FC a lot. Now that I have the interior panel off, you can see a little bit better. It is like no longer connected at the bottom at all. And even looks like the previous owner did some things here to keep it from rattling so bad. And I got some pool noodles, some random foam pad in here. Now you can see where the actual rust hole is versus the riveted metal on the outside versus all this stuff. So interesting, but it's going. I'm not keeping this door. I mean, I've had a problem since I got the car anyway, that the outer door handle does not work on this side. So it's, fixing two problems at once. Getting a door that is solid and an outer side door mechanism handle thingamawhatsit that is functional. I'm disassembling the door assembly on the new door because while that handle works, I need to figure out how to swap the lock. Oh wait, hold the phone actually. There is no lock in there. That is interesting. So actually, my job might be even easier than that. So that little L-shaped handle right there, that actually goes over the door lock. So I might just be able to pop this out, swap it over without having to take any more apart. That would be pretty rad. So literally this clip goes around that the barrel of the lock there, and I think at this point I should just, you just push it out. So nice and easy. Nice. And it is literally that easy. You pop off the clip, take the linkage out of this here, and there's your lock. You have it out. How about that? Since my philosophy for working on cars, which I would not recommend anyone follow, is take apart first, ask questions later. There is a screw. It's going to be possible to see, but there's a bolt rather in there for the outer door handle that I took off. Goes like right about here, except on the inside. So what I got here, just regular 10 mil, a couple of magnets I had lying around, so that'll hold it in place while I try to get it back in the hole. Yay. Can't believe that actually worked. You're gonna have to trust me on that one. Since it'll probably be easier to put the lock cylinder back in after I got the door on the car, next step is going to be removing this feller here. Should be pretty simple. It's only a Toyota, so 4 bolts should come right out. Famous last words. So tedious. So boring. So slow. Cheap life. Let's see if it cracks in half. Seatbelt, because safety first. around the cul-de-sac. Alright, it's almost too shiny. I think I'm gonna have to scuff it up a bit. It's really not fair to the rest of the paint. But it closes so quietly, so softly, so little effort. Now, actually open it from the outside. Let's see if I can lock it from the outside. Yep. There we go. Beautiful.